Here. Daspan, kanina, asal daspan. Mangilap ka na. Mangilap ka na. Bayad sa ako. Bayad ako. Daspan pa.
Ma, bakit lang nasa cellphone?
The shoes? Would I eat, ha? Kain kami guys ng pamahaw. Grabe ang pawis ko guys kasi nagbalis. Ang papawis ba? May papawis lang.
The noodles that we ate
Last
last night.
night, Sam. Last night? Kasi
Me and Shira cooked.
oh. Hoy! Careful, Shelton. Everybody. Ala, no noodles no more. Hoy! Ay.
You want some? You want some?
Hoy!
Sige na lang.
Spicy na? Spicy na?
Spicy na. Spicy?
Dili.
So
Gusto ko na yun. Pulang na lagi.
Mommy.
Huwag spicy na siguro. Magpapay patag noodles. Magpapay patag noodles. Ano pa siguro dito na?
Thank you.
Tulo-tulo rin. Magula ko kaya ang talong. Oh, Sam. Oh, the okra. Ama, atas na yung kanopi para...
Are you okay?
Men! Ala! Huwag man yung magi.
Wala ko nakuha.
Dili mo na siya lalo.
Soya!
Itandog man ni. Busing. Ayaw! Ayaw diya kay. Ew, yaki. Later, we'll have to eat. Bibi. Purok na, purok. Ma, pork, mami. Give your daddy.
Tinidor mo na ba?
Inidor. You have to eat dong. Kas, Jilo, dahil na. Jilo. Garit na yun. Bungol sa Jilo, ay. Rice. Not too much. Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Kamig pamahaw. Kamig pamahaw guys. Ang sudan, talong, bulad, o noodles.
Nice ma.
How about you? Okay, say hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Hi.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Mga unsa mi. Sudan is Shelton. Kuan, what did you eat, Shels? Mais na bigas at saka
Noodles,
noodles at
corn rice, and I forgot what this
eggplant.
eggplant.
Talong. Yeah. You do not eat the dried fish?
Mama,
Too much. Kinamot.
I'm just gonna get what I took.
Yeah. What did you eat, Sam? Noodles and okra? You did not sausaw in ginamos? Oh, you have there na ginamos. Oh, guys. Oh, ginamos. Parang taga-bukid na gini sila. Nga ni mapagkaon sa among bukid. Where is father?
Talong na po.
Talong. Napalit tayo talong?
Malit na kayo. Wala na po yung okra.
Oh. Later, we have to wait to Tito Babe. Yeah. You wanna play? Come on. Ay, ayaw da, Jello. Tira, Jello. Sayo ni mo ni matadong, oy. Dali. Nagkagod si Kuan. Akong kasin si Ryan. Nami diri sa payag, guys. Na akong pag umangko na buringog, oh. Pamangkin ko to, si father, ang tingin lang. Listen, magkagod.
Guys, kaon na si Kuan, bate.
Di ka ani? Di ka ani? Kaon ka na?
Hindi.
Hindi ka kaon? Na, unsa ba di ay?
Bate, muna, bate.
Oh, ikaw?
Makalat yung payag namin, guys. Kasi, hindi pa naayos. Yan si Sissy. Nag-request ko og mais na bigas, guys. Oh, wow. Ito ulam namin. Ayan. Gata na ano. Ano ba nang bagoong? Dabong. Gata na dabong ang among. O, gata na dabong amo ang sudan karong paniod to na naay hipon. Siya ang tagaluto namin dito, guys. Dahil ako pahinga muna. Makalat to, guys, dahil dito yung mga damit nila kasi hindi magkasya sa kabila. So, hindi mo na siya inayos kasi busy naman sila. Pero okay lang naman yun. Tambay mo na kami ito sa payag. Yung mga bata, si Sam at saka si Shelton andun sa loob ng bahay. Sila sarado dahil ang aircon ay naka-on.
I wanted to try the coconut. You wanna try to eat?
Hoy, look at your kuan. Tiil. There's lapok on it.
I was playing with salt.
Basag niya siya mukha good.
No, I wanna try the coconut.
Let him.
Like this.
Try ba kagod gang.
Yo-yo guys, ano?
Di ka naghugas pa siyang tiil. Pa siyang tiil.
Ano naman to yung kamo?
Katuto sa balay nga nagkuha siya baso niya na kibalo ka dugo niya na reviews ta.
Higin ko.
Katuto na buwak na baso niya ang gipunit niya nasama niyan diri.
Ako may play. Play ko ba?
Nga maghimo mig kuan fruit salad. Oh, fruit salad. Maghimo mig kuan tog ani lamaw. Shelton, come on, let's try. You try this.
Kabayo. Horse.
Asa si Sawyer ma? Asa si Sawyer ma? Asa si Sawyer? Go try. Tangka mo try daw siya. Mukha good. Try to. Unsa pa tawag ana? Banggod. Kagod. Try. I-try daw niya. Go, try. Banggod. Try.
Eat the coconut.
I know, you have to work hard first.
I don't know how to do
Do it. Do it. Oh my goodness. We're going to finish tomorrow. Try the other one. This one.
This one.
No, this one. That one. Yeah. Oh, Shelton is trying bangod the coconut. Kagod the coconut. Oh my goodness. Okay, let Uncle do it. Look, he will show it to you. Look, oh see, like that.
It's easy, right? Is it easy?
Oh, it's easy.
It doesn't look easy.
Does that look easy? Oh,
It looks easy, but it's not.
asa maglaga karon ugma na kay hapon na. Ito na ang lamaw. Lamaw ba ni Mit? Oh, lamaw. Ayan. Oh, sarap nito guys.
Very happy.
What?
Yeah, very happy.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yay, it's good. I love you. Papa, Daddy, come in another month on June 20. You are very happy. Daddy is come here. I know already. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Oh.
Okay, nasa TV po.
Gusto naman. Ito guys, nagpa-ano kami. Nilagay kami ng face mask. Skincare ba tawag dito? Skincare. Ayan. Mother, where are you, mother? Si Ryan na magtagay sa amo.
Quiet ba? Quiet.
Tapos may ganito, tapos meron kaming Maria Clara. Oh, di ba?
Alin ba? Anong tuhod ko sakit?
Kuya!
Manumbag din.
Mother, where are you?
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Marami, then ay lingkurana.
Hmm?
Lingkurana.
Mapud no?
Palit na po ko lingkurana.
Siminto ako si Kuan to kanang halublak ang Kurana no? Halublak ba? Laray lang ana. Ay mo pundo. Pupunta daw ang tubig yung ni Papa. Ha? Ina si Manong. Agpundo nung? Anang, si, engkuhan na, simin, ano, black? Papa, ingon papalo. Si Purman eh. Did you give him water? Is that the girl or the boy? Hold it. Hold it. Yan yung rabbit niya guys na binili ko pa. Pinabili ko pa 500 pesos. Kasi gusto daw niya. Hold it. Hold it. Sige, yeah. Two hands, two hands.
Close all the doors and turn on the air.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
I don't know how.
I will ask Papa Lo. Ay, ginoo ko. Hoy, what's that? Gusto na sigrillas? Siriguelas. Ayan guys, napabili ako ng siriguelas.
Ana, dagko na na. Kaya kayo mo kasama.
Bago man ang iti. Uy, kaluoy ba na
Ayun na,
ito,
lapok na na.
Sarap.
Lapok.
Ang kuhaon ni Mama, ang kuan. Ang rabbit. Babae na malaki.
Jen. Dukdut eh.
Uy, ala. Babae laki.
Bakit lang iyang kuan, iyang kuko. Ingna, kuko.
Oh, dahil, Hassan, it hurts when you hold. Yeah, it's very sharp. You wanna hold it? Yeah. You have to hold both of the legs.
It's gonna hop away.
Just put in here.
It's nail. It's nail.
It's nail. Okay. Yeah. You want to return? Put it back. You just pet him.
I want to hold it, but it's nail.
Yeah.
It's here.
Yeah. The other one too, ma. Ikuan ma. Induhan niya katiil.
Ay.
Ah.